My all cutting is done. This is the back part, cut 2, lining cut 2. This is 4 cut, 2 is upper body and 2 is lining body. If you use the heavy material, you don't use the same fabric. If you use the light material, you can cut lining and upper same fabric. This is the front, same 4 cut, 2 upper and 2 lining. And this is the front waistband, front waist yoke, cut 2 piece, one is upper, one is lining. This is the back, cut 2 and 2 for lining, cut 4 total. And this is the back yoke, cut 4, 2 upper and 2 lining. And this is the front, cut 2 and lining cut 2, total cut 4. And this is the front cut on fold. This is the front cut on fold, cut 1 piece. I am not going to use the bottom area lining. So this is the bottom area without lining. If you use the lining, if your fabric is so light, so you can use the lining in bottom area also. This is the back cut, cut 2 piece. Okay. Now I am going to start attaching. This is the back. All over 1 centimeter seam allowance, you just take the 1 centimeter seam allowance and stitch. See, this is the back, and you can stitch lining also same 1 centimeter seam allowance, take, stitch normally. This is the back side cut. Just attach the normal stitch. Okay. This one is front. This one is back. This is the front, this is the back. This one is front. This one is front side cut. Or princess cut. See, you can stitch lining same technique also.